Dana, I'm very pleased to tell you I experienced my first snow squall today.
Oh yeah? How was that experience?
I mean, kind of scary.
They can be scary.
I totally get how visibility can be greatly impacted because all of a sudden it's like the sky opens up, boom.
Exactly. That's why we call them like the summer thunderstorms of the winter, because I don't want to say they come out of nowhere because we forecast them, but if you're out on the road and you're not aware, they do sort of appear. The visibility drops very quickly, and then things can also get pretty slippery.
It can turn like that.
Exactly. That's why we have snow squall warnings now too. The one that came through Portland earlier today wasn't an official snow squall. It has to fall into a specific definition.
Interesting.
But if you receive like a snow squall warning on your phone, it's essentially a warning to say that there, like a severe thunderstorm warning would, that there is inclement weather incoming.
Right. Good to know.
Yeah, good to know
Learning new things every day.
Exactly, and new experiences as well, and now you know what to do in the event of a snow squall. If you're driving, you want to take things slow, turn on your headlights, and exit the road when you have a safe opportunity to do so. So we saw snow showers and snow squalls across the state today because of an Arctic front that passed through. And Arctic fronts quite literally pull in air from the Arctic. They don't just have a fancy name, which means we are going to get very chilly very quickly. Most of the state at this point had the snow showers and snow squalls have since ended. Overnight lows tonight, very, very cold. In fact, our normal low temperature in Portland for this time of year is 26 degrees, and yet we're going to be single digits all the way down to the coastline and areas of far northern Maine, and the mountains will see low temperatures below zero. It was also very windy across the state today, wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour, which certainly makes it feel even colder than it actually is. Winds will start to settle down a little bit around midnight, but it'll still be a touch breezy during the day tomorrow, which I think will add just a little bit of a wind chill factor that'll make it feel even colder. So, for example, our low temperatures Friday morning, Portland, for example, 5 degrees, but that wind chill will feel like zero, so most of the state will have feels like temperatures at or below zero. Very cold. And we aren't going to get much warmer in the 7-day forecast. We have another Arctic front Sunday night, which means our Monday high temperatures are only in the 20s again. And we warm up a little bit as we get into the middle of next week, but still our temperatures remain below where we should be for this time of year. So overnight tonight, we have the rest of our snow showers exiting. We also lose a lot of the cloud cover, which contributes to our overnight low temperatures being so low. And then we do have some sunshine during the day tomorrow, though I think it's going to feel very, very cold. And then Saturday, we have an increase in cloud cover. There is some moisture around, so you might see a scattered shower, but we're not expecting very many of those across the state on Saturday. And then we're watching as we get into early Monday morning. There is the potential for a little bit of snow. Right now it looks like it'll pass mostly to our south, trending in a drier direction, but something we'll keep an eye on as we get into the weekend. Marine forecast sees 4 to 6 feet. Ocean temperature is 47 degrees. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. A good bit of sunshine tomorrow, but man, are those temperatures going to be on the frigid side. In the early morning, we might even break some low temperature records across the state. And then obviously we don't get very warm either in the afternoon tomorrow. Then Saturday and into the weekend in general, I've been calling it a warm up in quotation marks. High temperatures in the 30s, a bit cloudier on Saturday in comparison to Sunday. Saturday, you also might see a scattered shower around, but not very many of those. And then another cool down comes in for Monday. So Bailey, that's been the name of the game for this 7-day forecast, is cold, cold, and colder.
And then coldest.
Exactly.
Soon. I hope you didn't hear me sneeze during your forecast there twice. I think
Hopefully
the cold's
not.
getting to me.
Well, bless you.
Thank you. All right, thank you, Dana.